What is an irregular moon in our solar system? Imagine a moon that doesn't follow the usual path around its planet. Instead of a neat, close, circular orbit, it takes a wild, elongated, and sometimes backwards route. That's what makes a moon irregular. These moons orbit their planets in ways that are very different from the regular moons you might see in textbooks. Regular moons tend to orbit close to the planet's equator in nearly circular paths and move in the same direction as the planet spins. Irregular moons, on the other hand, have orbits that are highly tilted, elongated, and often go in the opposite direction. This unusual orbit suggests they didn't form with their planets but were captured later. Most of the irregular moons are smaller than the regular ones and often have irregular shapes. Think of them as tiny, lumpy objects rather than smooth spheres. For example, Neptune's moon Triton is the largest irregular moon in our solar system. It has a retrograde orbit, meaning it moves opposite to Neptune's rotation, and scientists believe it was captured from the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, have many of these moons. They usually have orbits that are highly inclined, sometimes more than 40 degrees from the planet's equator. Some even orbit in a retrograde way, which is a clear sign they were captured rather than formed in place. These moons can swing far away from their planets during part of their orbit and then come close again. Their eccentric orbits, which are more elongated than circular, make them seem like they are on a wild ride around their planets. Understanding irregular moons helps scientists learn about how our solar system evolved. They tell us about past events where objects from the outer regions were pulled into orbit by planets, gravity. This process of capture shows how dynamic and changing our solar system has been over billions of years. It also helps us understand the different kinds of celestial bodies that exist beyond the main planets and their regular moons. In short, irregular moons are captured objects with unusual, often eccentric orbits that differ greatly from the well-behaved moons close to their planets. They are like cosmic wanderers, offering clues about the history and movement of objects in our solar system. Their unique paths and origins help scientists piece together the story of how planets and their moons formed and changed over time.